Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a folder missing cannot create new folder in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box type registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, select the H key classic root and expand it. And after doing this step, find out our folders. Now here a folder, select it, open a default and make sure that value data set is folder. So in my case is already selected a folder. Click OK. After that go back. Now once again select a HK classic root and expand it. And after that find out a directory. Now here is a directory, select it, open a default and make sure that is a value data select is the file folder. So in my case is already typed selected a file folder. Click OK, go back, close the registry editor, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.